This 2025 Primetime Tracer 25 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Primetime is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, skylight, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, LP detector, refrigerator, water heater, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, TV, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Primetime Tracer 25 BHS is 5,598 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.